ready for Oktoberfest. Oh. For the camera.
Oh, hi.
Everybody say hi. Hi. Oh, look how cute. Look how cute.
Wir sind so voll.
Hallo Corey.
Hallo.
So, quick little update on life in general. Over the weekend, as you saw, I celebrated Oktoberfest. Today's Monday. It was my first day of school. It doesn't look like there's much homework, if any, in any of the classes. I will say that English is my favorite subject, and not because I speak English and all. It's more that it's the class that I can really focus. With the other classes, it's really hard for me to pay attention for a really long time because my brain gets really, really tired after all the German. It's everywhere, and that's the point, you know, that's how I'm going to learn. I will say that I am excited for some of the other classes that I'm doing, but I'm very new here, and it is kind of scary. I am kind of nervous using my German, but that's just the life of an exchange student. Hopefully in about a week or two I'll be comfortable using my German and not afraid of making mistakes. I think that's just something that you get automatically for being new in a place and surrounded by people that you don't really know. That being said, my host family is awesome. I love them so much. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to this school year and hopefully soon becoming relatively fluent in German. So, little update for now. Untertitel. Should I put German Untertitel on? Can we just take a minute to appreciate? Little update. Yesterday was pretty eventful day, and of course I forgot my GoPro. We actually went to the Netherlands yesterday for a little shopping trip. Such a strange thing to be able to do, is just let's drive over to another country to go shopping. And I got a new pair of Timberland boots. Small little update, today is Sunday. I start my second week of school tomorrow. First week done. You know, it was really hard, and there were a lot of times when I felt really overwhelmed, but there's also a lot of really good times. Friday was a really good day, and so I think that hopefully soon things are going to get a lot better. Just slowly, progressively becoming more and more comfortable with living here, with school, with public transportation, everything. Let's take a look at this really awesome view that I have out my window right now.
Beautiful you are.
Who laughs at how pretty someone is? You're a liar. I'm so tired. It's only 4:40.
I'm a cameraman for life.
Oh.
I really live my job. You see the way I'm
I live my job.
I'm living it. Stofftiere genäht, ne?
We are in the Netherlands again, but this time in a city called Venlo. Yeah, and we're at this little marketplace, actually a really big marketplace, and just looking around. Super cool. Oh my gosh.
Look at this.
Cheese.
I love
this shop here.
So pretty.
Hello.
What's going on, guys?
We're super.
Another one.
Yes. Nobody can be as good as I am.
She says that and she's losing.
Not true. Not true.
Read the scores.
Yes, I am W.
And who's M? She's lying. L for loser. Ooh.
Look at this genius. Damn. He's late.
Get up close and personal with this bowling experience. Let's see it. Oh.
Wow.
Yes. Alrighty.
Alright.
A little life update. We went to another Oktoberfest party last night. Lots of fun. Anyway, yeah. Tomorrow is Monday, the 3rd week of school for me.
For
How's it?
me, it's the 7th
No, it's
year.
not. So we
No,
progressively
not. It's the 12th year.
12th year, yeah. Well, it's my 14th year. I think it's gonna start getting hopefully better now. I know where all my classes are. Yeah, it's getting there.
Top!
That's about it.
Was war das denn? Was war das?
Du bist so perfekt.
Oh mein Gott, läuft das jetzt?
Aber lass
Okay, hallo Leute, danke fürs Zuschauen. Ich wünsche euch noch einen wunderbaren Tag. Hinterlasst doch einen Kommentar oder hinterlasst einen Daumen hoch. Stellt doch einfach ein paar Fragen. Hier ist auch bis optimal. Ja, wunderschönen Tag wünsche ich euch noch. Tschüss.